One UI 8.5 is here to evolve the intelligent Galaxy. This update focuses on enhancing your comfort by effectively mitigating display flicker and reducing eye strain on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Digital visual fatigue is a growing challenge for modern users. Between constant screen exposure, physical strain from flicker, mental load from cluttered interfaces, and the demand for deep focus, we needed a better solution. One UI 8.5 engineers comfort through three core pillars: ambient design to soothe your eyes, screen-free AI to help reduce unnecessary time on your device, and a fluid ecosystem that makes cross-device interaction seamless. Ambient design is all about relieving visual stress. Features like the floating tab bar improve reachability, while responsive elements and privacy blurring help reduce both cognitive load and eye strain for a cleaner experience. The liquid glass quick panel puts you in control, with vertical sliders for quick adjustments, adaptive spacing for clarity, and fluid animations that mask flicker. Managing your settings has never been more comfortable. Your lock screen now adjusts intelligently. Through auto placement of subjects and dynamic clock typography, along with live weather effects, you can view the time and essential data effortlessly. Galaxy AI now helps you complete tasks screen-free. By combining a smarter Bixby, real-time perplexity integration, and multi-intent actions, you can manage your device settings and get answers without constant screen interaction. Intelligent call management removes interruptions. With automated AI call screening, live transcripts, and advanced spam defense, your phone works for you to keep your communications clear and stress-free. Experience acoustic relief and new ways to interact. Audio Eraser cleans up your videos, while head gestures allow you to control calls on your Buds 4 Pro simply by nodding or shaking your head. A frictionless ecosystem removes barriers. One UI 8.5 introduces Apple AirDrop support for easy transfers, alongside contextual quick share and storage sharing, creating universal access across your devices. Creativity is now stress-free with continuous photo assist. Edit images with natural text prompts, enjoy non-destructive history, and use the Creative Studio to generate textures and graphics effortlessly. One UI 8.5 represents a significant transformation. From enhanced quick panel control and broader ecosystem support to smarter voice AI and deeper eye comfort, this is the most advanced experience yet. We have also prioritized silent security. Sleep time protection preserves your battery, while advanced authentication locks and autonomous theft protection ensure your data remains safe and your mind remains at ease. The ultimate comfortable experience awaits. With the Galaxy S26 Ultra and One UI 8.5, you get a smarter, more connected, and more relaxing way to use your technology every single day.